We all know the global economy is being restructured, and SMEs are now at the forefront of the new world order. You see, in Dubai alone, a staggering 0.8% of businesses are registered as large businesses, giving the bigger slice of the economy cake to SMEs. Those SMEs make up 52.4% of employment. In a few words, SMEs are outlined by the number of employees registered and their annual turnover in pillars such as trading, manufacturing and services, so bring on Expo 2020 Dubai, a huge welcoming boost for local SMEs. Out of the jaw-dropping 2.4 billion dirhams of investment, 34,904 businesses have been registered, of which, you guessed it, 85% are SMEs. Expo 2020 is the gateway for SMEs to flourish. Finance is key. The right amount as per scale can open the door to rewards, as is safeguarding your business value. Naturally, right? Tackling regional expansion and growth can prove vital. With banks in the UAE handing out encouraging loan rates, generous capital support, and low balance requirements, it's awesome times being an SME. So here are a few pillars that SMEs can build on to thrive in the economy. International orientation, innovation, IT adoption, human capital, corporate governance, access to finance, scalability.